Hello there. So today's vlog is going to be a short one, purely because it's at Busch Gardens. We were just exploring it as first timers, and we were there with our family, and my brother, his fiance and their daughter, our niece, and it was a great day, but obviously it's about 10 minutes long, as I didn't do much filming, but I did get a lot of content on Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there, Mac and Beyond on Instagram. And next week's vlog will be a Universal vlog, and I think it's quite a lot. It might be a long one. I remember taking a lot of footage that day. So here we are, heading from Stella Nova Resort to Busch Gardens, and you'll see the outside of it because we were there just before park opening. Without further ado, here's Busch Gardens. Hello there, good morning. Welcome to Stella Nova Resort here at Universal Orlando Resorts. So in the background here is Epic Universe, and in the background, where is it? Helios Grand is right there. So we're staying there on Friday, so that is going to be insane. Anyway, we're late, so we need to get going to Busch Gardens. So I'll see how much we can film, but we're just going to go straight to the car and drive there. Looks grand, doesn't it? What a view. Anyway, I'm just recording on my phone just because it's a wee bit easier just now, because my bag is fully packed and we're just walking to the car. That's us parked up in Busch Gardens car park. $35 and then add tax on another $2.37. $63. How much? $2.63. So $37.63 for parking for the day. And my brother and all that are going to be at the entrance to the park, so we're going to meet them there. And I got his 2 free tickets, which was nice. So let's go. And as you can see, we are outside of Busch Gardens, and we're just waiting for my brother who's got our tickets. We're just in the shade, just to wait for him, because it is really hot just now. Really looking forward to seeing him and having a great day in Busch Gardens. But yeah, Ross is just taking it in just now. But oh, it's good, isn't it? Yeah. It's a different start to the holiday, because usually we're just straight into Disney or Universal, but this is, well, we were into Universal but not the parks, but it's a different way to start a holiday, different sort of excitement. Right, so that is us in Busch Gardens now, and I haven't researched it. I'm just going to experience it with my family and just enjoy it, really. And I'll take as much as I can, but I'm going to hang out with my big brother, who's just in front of me just now. That's him there. His name is Stuart. We're just going to have a look at this map. There you go.
I am Gozzi's insane.
Is that the insane one? Yeah. So my brother and I are quite chalk and cheese, but oh, the Serengeti plane. Oh wow. You can go a train as well?
Yeah.
Kumba is one I've always heard of.
That is one of the oldest rides here.
Yeah. I've always heard of that one.
Serengeti flyers, a good one as well.
Alright. Well, I plan to do as much as we can, if not everything.
I think we did most of the roller coasters last time we were here.
Yeah, most of the roller coasters. Oh right.
That one.
So I'm not showing you Anna, but that's my niece. So, but she's saying that's the blue and yellow one, yeah. Yes. Well, do you want me and your dad to go on it? Squirrel.
Over there.
So here's some of the merchandise that my niece has already spotted. A little cheetah. But let's see the quality. Yeah, quite similar to like the likes of Disney and Universal. So, I mean, that's all I've got to compare it to. So, it's it's all about quality. I like buying merchandise when I'm on holiday. I rarely buy it when I'm at home. So my hair looks a bit more dishevelled. Iron Glassy. I think that's the most intense roller coaster. I think that's more intense than Hulk. Faster. I've got it on my glasses, so I'll be able to share that on Instagram. And remember, it's Mac and Beyond on Instagram and TikTok, but mainly on Instagram. But my big brother and I had a great time. I thought my big brother was talking it up a bit, but no, he wasn't. So yeah, but it was a 60-minute wait, and we basically got to the front at 50 minutes. And I went down for half an hour. We got on the ride. Oh my god, my hair's that bad. Look at it. Anyway, it's the speed. Yeah, definitely. And I've not got my microphone on, so hopefully you can hear me. Yeah, so a belt broke when someone was trying to put it on, so they had to take it out of service. Yeah, so I think someone forced it in and it shouldn't have went in, and caused the ride to go down. So we got onto the ride and asked to get back off the ride, and then, you know, that was an extra half hour. So yeah, the guys did it swiftly as they could and safely as they could. And now we bought a refillable mug, and that was $23 for the day, and that is a discounted price thanks to my sister-in-law to be's aunt. Has an annual pass, so that was nice. There we go. So we're just going to have a wee wander. We're going to do something for Anna because she was on. What did Anna go on? A wee flyer thing. A child ride. So yeah, we're going to go to the Elmo Sesame Street area and do something for her. So because that was, and maybe get lunch as well because that was about an hour and 10 minutes, an hour and 20 minutes.
Yeah, I think it was about an hour and 15 minutes.
An hour and 15 or 20 minutes they were waiting, so that was fair. We were mindful of that, but they were okay. They were shaded, they had juice, they had water, they got fans. What more can they want? Yeah. So 2 black swans. Never seen that before. All the flamingos. Was it a didgeridoo? Quite a few of them there, isn't there? Many hours later, basically we just enjoyed our day with my family and it was great. I've got a lot of footage from the Meta Ray bands, so I'll need to have a lot of music because my brother swore quite a bit. So I'm going to have a look at that now and who bad he really was, because yeah, I think he swore quite inappropriately sometimes. I mean, I swear, I'm an engineer, so I do a lot of it, but not when I'm on camera. So, yeah, one thing, it's every other day room service.
Yes.
Yeah, so the beds haven't been done or anything like that, which is fine. First impressions on Busch Gardens, it was fine. It's not Disney, as you may know, but it was worth going down. We only seen about half the park, wasn't it? We were just there chilling out, catching up, letting Anna, our niece, have a great time, and it's her birthday very soon, and we got her a present, a tiger called Sky. His name is Sky, so she loved that. But what did I do? Iron Gwazi, that was insane. I think that's the most intense roller coaster I've ever done. Shikra and Falcon's Fury.
Falcon's Fury and...
Tigress.
Yeah, that's one.
So that was quite good. What was the favourite? Iron Gwazi, by far.
Yeah.
Yeah, must say. What else? What else was good? It wasn't manic. It wasn't mega busy. Food was okay. I had ribs and chips and some mac and cheese, and Rosin had a burger. No, chicken nuggets that were like made out of the sun. They were that hot.
That's because they were fresh.
They were fresh as, so that's not a complaint. And the drive, I was getting quite sleepy. I think the jet lag's hitting me now. Probably look really puffy in the eyes now. Had a lot of, we bought a refillable mug, which we've left in the car, but we've nearly finished it. So the car goes back tomorrow, and then it's all lifts from here on in. Oh, so we picked up our tickets as well. So really chuffed about that, the Universal ones, and that's one day epic. And that's pretty much our day. So we're just gonna go for a quick wash, and then we need to get some dinner. But yes, I'm feeling quite tired because that drive was quite it's not long. I need to concentrate a bit more because it's quite a big pickup truck. I know you guys haven't seen it because I'm just not comfortable recording whilst I'm driving in it. And Rosin's like my co-pilot, like, because I always verge to the right of the lane. But yeah, all in all, a great day. Tomorrow we'll dump the car and head to Universal Orlando, as in Islands of Adventure or Universal Studios, and just take it easy. But anyway, if you've done Busch Gardens, what was your favourite ride? Do you guys go more than once? Is it worth it? It definitely needs another day at least, but not on this trip, because we were very lucky with our tickets. We managed to get 2 free tickets because of my sister-in-law's auntie is a Florida resident, so we managed to get a really good deal with the fact that they get 2 free tickets. You had to make a donation, so thank you very much, Carolyn. And yeah, just had a great day overall. With that being said, I'll probably close the vlog here unless there's something massively interesting happening. But if you haven't watched, then thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment and hit the bell notification icon so you know when the next vlog is. Anyway, cheerio.